In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable remote automation in Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. In Settings, just scroll down until you find the Safari. And once you are at the Safari settings, you need to scroll down to the very bottom, where we can easily find Advanced. Tap at Advanced and you will be taken to Advanced Settings, where, if you scroll down a bit, you can find Remote Automation. All you have to do in order to turn it on is just tap at that button. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.